All right, so this is part 3 on how to add patterns or shapes and other things to your background painting, little embellishments, shapes, patterns that we have. You may just even have laying around. So you may even have some stamps. How you would use this is you would paint it, flip it, press firmly, make sure that you rub that on the back and then lift up very gently, and you should have those. And of course it looks really cool even if it doesn't print all the way. If you have coffee or corrugated cardboard, these are from Starbucks, the little coffee sleeves. So I paint them and then flip them and press down and rub really quick so you get some really cool little implied lines there. Another favorite of mine is packing bubbles. I always keep these around. Of course my kids like to pop them. I try to keep a few unpopped so I can use these and kind of create that comic book image design when we do printmaking in class. So you can even see how to flip and press. So you get a few of those little dots. All right, so there's that. I also have, if you have paint pens laying around, or if you have invested in some for your kids over the summer, you can also use stencils or make your own. I like to just cut maybe some leftover plastic from like a placemat, some different things. You can add those in, make your own. And of course, if you have leftover ones from projects maybe you've gotten or people have donated and you haven't even gotten to use those, you can also use those little stencils, or you're gonna go buy some. That's up to you, of just things that you can do. So anything that you would have at home that would have texture is gonna make some really cool designs. So there's the bubble wrap and the coffee filters. And then as you go, you could lift this up, double up, you could paint those in, or you could do a watercolor wash and do those really big. So the sky's the limit on surface textures and designs and things. So good luck, guys. I know you can do an awesome job. Thank you for listening. Bye.